In this quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to activate turning on and turning off the LED lights on the LED AI turrets from WatchNet. First, we're going to we have to use a Windows, either laptop or desktop PC connected to the same network as the cameras. We're going to go into the Start menu, and you're going to look up Internet Explorer. Now, it's recommended to use Microsoft Edge here, but we have to use Internet Explorer or this will not work. So we're going to load this. The next is you're going to need the IP address to your NVR. In my case, this is the IP address here. I would just simply type in those numbers and load up the screen. If you don't know what your IP address is, I will show you how to get that in a moment. Once you're here, you're going to log in. Okay, now to get that IP address, you would go to your NVR, you would log into your NVR, and you should be in the settings screen and be something similar to this. And you have to find the network settings here, and you're going to be looking for the TCP IP setting, and your IP address would be here. So we have to remember that number. You can come back to your computer and then type that IP address in, and you should be able to log in. Okay, once you've logged in, we're going to go here to Management, and we're going to go to Camera. Here we see the list of cameras that we currently have, so we can just locate the camera we want to change, and there's a little icon here for Web Browse. Click on that. This is going to load the camera itself. So by default, the password is 1234 and username admin, unless it's been changed. And once we log in, if you need to see the live view, you can click and download and install the plugin and reopen this. If not, we can just simply go to Settings, and right here, the very first tab under Conditions, we have the IR light, and we have here Auto, Manual, or Off. This is if you just want to make sure it's just at a specific amount, but really I would just stick to either Auto or Off. Once you change the setting to whatever you require, then you can just hit Save, and your LED will reflect whatever mode that you've set it to. There are a couple different profiles here if you do get into that, but if not, what I would do is I would just simply switch each profile, turn it off, save it, change it here, and then change it in the night, save it, and then you should be good to go. Alright, so thanks very much for tuning in, and hopefully everything works out for you.